Hello and welcome back to Simple Tech Reviews. On this video we'll have a look at the Weenon Mechanical Gaming RGB soundbar. The Weenon soundbar is a portable 19-inch speaker with many functions and a sleek, curved and shiny design which is great for any gaming setup. Let's have a quick look at what comes in the box. We first have the user manual, which I recommend you read, especially regarding the use and charging of the battery. Next, we have the audio cable, then the micro USB charging and PC cable, and finally we have the soundbar itself. Having a closer look, on the top we can see the two 5-watt stereo speakers and the two diaphragms for bass enhancement. Next we have the LED display and the function keys for lighting mode change, previous track, play and pause, next track, the PC mode button, volume down, volume up, the temperature display button, the time format display button, alarm 1, alarm 2, the mode button, and the power button. The function keys are all blue mechanical switches that are more reliable and durable, just like the ones in many gaming keyboards. Here we can also see the integrated microphone pinhole for voice communication. Alright, so this is a test on the microphone on the Weenon soundbar. I'm currently standing about 2 feet away from the soundbar, and this is what the quality is like. On the back, we have the I/O connections for a USB flash drive, the micro USB charging and PC port, an auxiliary audio input, the optional external microphone input, a micro SD card slot up to 32 GB, the reset pinhole, and the temperature sensor. And finally, on the bottom there are anti-slip pads. The soundbar has RGB lighting that can be independently programmed for the function keys and for the speakers. There are 10 lighting settings for the keys and 14 for the speakers, which combined make 140 possible lighting combinations. A quick press of the lighting button will change the keys' light effects, and holding the button for 2 seconds will change the speaker effects. The time and function display is bright and placed front and center in the middle of the soundbar. To use the soundbar, you should first charge it with the included micro USB cable and a 5V 1 or 2 amp wall charger. There are two 2000 mAh batteries in the soundbar that make it a solid portable music device. After charging, you can then turn the device on by long pressing the power button. Then you can press the mode button to switch between the different functions, such as Bluetooth to wirelessly connect any Bluetooth device to the soundbar, the FM radio tuner in which you can scan and save your favorite radio stations, the clock mode that shows only the time and saves battery. Then there's the enhanced PC mode, which allows you to connect the soundbar directly to a computer using only the USB cable. And finally, the auxiliary, memory and USB modes that will automatically start once a device is plugged into the soundbar. One thing to keep an eye out is, if you try to use the auxiliary and power cables at the same time, you may hear some intermittent static noises coming from the speaker, so please try to avoid using them at the same time. In conclusion, the Weenon RD-BB6 soundbar is a stylish and futuristic looking soundbar that you could add to enhance your gaming setup. It has many options to get your music rocking and has an eye-catching design that you can take anywhere on the go with the included batteries. If you'd like to check out the Weenon RGB soundbar, don't forget to click on the link in the video description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next review.